What ISO is, it is a global network of national standardization bodies. We count today 164 members, IPQ being the one for Portugal. Now, what ISO 21001 has achieved is getting together all these isolated and individual voices to achieve these standards.
I led the work group that developed ISO 21001, which was work group 1 of ISO PC 288. This standard took 4 years to be developed and was published last May 1, 2018. It is a standard that is the resume of many years of efforts from ISO with other educational products, and is the first management system standard for educational organizations. And after 1 year in the market, we felt the absolute need to hear the stakeholders, to hear the opinion of the users who have been working with this standard in its first year of existence. Also, we wanted to hear the opinion of the International Accreditation Forum, who runs the multilateral recognition agreement, which is signed by all national accreditation bodies across the world to make sure the whole world deals with these new management system standards in the same way, with the same interpretations, and that the play field is leveled and everyone is working by the same rules. The outputs of this workshop, all the experiences that were shared here, the discussions among peers, will feed the next revision of this standard. So we collected a lot of very relevant material to improve in the next years this new ISO standard. And probably this was not the only workshop to collect feedback on ISO 21001. Probably it was the first of many in the upcoming years, as we anticipate that the curiosity the world has been shown for this standard will only increase. So I believe we will have many more of these workshops in Portugal or other countries to make sure we keep the debate and we keep collecting relevant information to make sure that ISO 21001 serves the whole world better and better across time. From the point of view of a teacher, a lecturer at Porto Polytechnic, of course, I'm very proud to have hosted this first workshop on ISO 21001, and I think it's important for the internationalization of Porto Polytechnic to keep hosting and collaborating closely with ISO, with the International Accreditation Forum, with the European Commission to try to improve education as a whole in Portugal and in Europe and across the globe.